Resorts World Las Vegas is a massive property, and a good thing is there are 3 hotels to choose from: Hilton, Conrad, and Crockfords. You would think it would be a good thing, but for us it was actually a problem trying to figure out which hotel to choose for our first trip here. So now we have stayed at all 3 hotels, and we are going to rank them for you and show you the pros and cons of each so that you can pick the best option for yourself. If you're looking for exclusivity, Crockfords is going to be the choice for you. Now you need a key entry to get from the casino into the Crockfords elevators and into the lobby. And when you do make it into the lobby, it just feels so elegant. It's very quiet in there. You feel like you have the whole place to yourself, and they are just extremely friendly. We had the best service. We let them know ahead of time it was our anniversary, and we had champagne upon arrival. Now this whole lobby area has its own bar, and there's not a lot of people that are hanging out here. So again, it just feels very exclusive. You have an area in the morning where they have coffee and some pastries and fruit. And you have the Crockfords Club where you can come play some high limit table games. There are only 2 elevators, but they were so fast because it's not servicing that many rooms. Crockfords only has 332 of them. You come into this room here and it feels very open, the floor to ceiling windows. It has a very nice color palette, very warm and inviting with the sort of neutral colors and this sort of burnt orange on the background there. There is an espresso machine with all the pods for you to use, your mini bar, and there's actually an empty fridge in here as well. Rooms are 550 square feet, and the lowest price you can pay is about $259. Do expect those prices to go way up at those certain times of the year and on the weekends. Now, we did tell them that we were coming for our anniversary. It was actually our real anniversary when we stayed here. And they did bring us some chocolate-covered strawberries, a note, and a little stuffed bunny. This room had a massage gun, which I think was pretty unique. I've never seen that in a room before. You're going to be staying on one of the top floors. It's one of the perks of Crockfords is that it occupies the top floors of the Conrad Tower. So you'll have great views from wherever you're at. And of course, you have some robes and slippers. You are in a luxury property. This might surprise you, but I'm actually ranking Crockfords as our number 3 property at Resorts World, simply because of the price point. This is the same size room as the Conrad, and I think the aesthetic is somewhat similar. There's not much more that this room offers as far as amenities other than some additional toiletries. And it is possible that the other 2 hotels may not have sent up chocolate-covered strawberries, but I think that what you are paying for at Crockfords is the exclusivity. It's having sort of your private entry, that quiet lobby area, the private club for gambling. And there's a pool exclusive to Crockfords guests that we'll take a look at later in the video. I really recommend you check the prices for all 3 properties on the dates you are planning to go, just to compare them. It might be worth it to stay at Crockfords. Okay, now moving along to the Hilton. Hilton is the lowest end property of the 3 that we'll be reviewing today. Now this is a standard Hilton and has the whole Hilton blue color. Your basic room is 400 square feet, and the lowest price I found was $79 a night, but you should expect to pay anywhere from $129 on the weekdays up to over $350 on the weekends, depending on what's going on. The Hilton is more basic. As you walk around the room, you're not going to find the same luxuries that you find at the other 2 properties. But one thing that it has going for it is that it's only a few years old, and so everything in here is updated, it's new, it feels very clean. It's just a little more simple. Now in the bathroom, you don't have the separate water closet that you have in the other 2. It's just the toilets combined with the rest of the bathroom. The reason why I ranked it number 2 over the Crockfords is because you're getting a much better value here. You have a brand new hotel room that has actually the same soap product and shampoo products that you'll find in the Crockfords and the Conrad. It's just a good value for your money. And finally, we have our top hotel at Resorts World, and that is the Conrad. It's sort of a balance between the 2 hotels. You have a lobby bar here. The check-in line is not going to be a short little exclusive check-in, but it is very nice. The rooms here, in my opinion, rival the Crockfords, and actually they happen to be the same layout and the same size. So these rooms are 550 square feet. They start out at $119 a night, but you should expect to pay anywhere from $159 to $179 a night on the weekdays, and anywhere from about $250 upwards of $400 on a busy weekend. Now, the color scheme in this room is that neutral color, sort of what Crockfords has, with that burnt orange behind it. So it's kind of the same color palette. It doesn't quite have some of the luxuries that the Crockfords room has with the massage gun and the Nespresso machine, but this room is really nice. This bathroom does not have a second sink, but that's only because this room happens to have a bathtub. Now, the same can be said for the Crockfords. You could have either layout, so they both really could have the same layout. If you didn't have the bathtub, the shower would be huge like the one at the Crockfords. And you have a separate water closet for your toilet area. It's a very nice bathroom, a little bit of a different color scheme in this room, and you don't have all the same toiletries as the Crockfords, but you do have bathrobes just like they do. And sometimes the Conrad is only $20 or $30 more a night than the Hilton, so check those prices. That might help you determine which hotel you want to stay at. Let's check out some of the common areas so that you can get a feel for what Resorts World is like overall. The pool area was fantastic. I really was not expecting such a nice pool area when we came on our first visit, and I was thoroughly impressed. There are several pools all over the place. They had an area that was for families. They had an adults only area. This particular spot, this is the Crockfords pool. So in order to come in here, you have to be a guest of Crockfords. That's another one of those exclusive things. If that's what you are looking for, then you definitely want to stay at the Crockfords if you want to splurge and pay that additional money. Now, this is the Athena pool area. That you have to be 21 and over to come to this area. You can just come in, you don't have to pay. However, if you do want to sit anywhere, you have to actually rent a lounge chair, a day bed, or a cabana to sit in this area. But if you want to just come swim in the infinity pool and then go back to the other pools, you can. Right outside of the casino, you'll see the original Sphere, and that's part of a big shopping area. There's some shops and restaurants in that area here. Resorts World was built on the site where the Stardust Hotel used to be, and you will find some pieces of memorabilia throughout the hotel. Resorts World does have a world-class spa here, and we didn't take advantage and use it, but I've heard nothing but great things here. One of the things that I did check out was the gym, however. This fitness center, I think, is the best in Las Vegas. I have not found one yet that can rival the Resorts World Fitness Center. They have just about anything that you can think of in this gym. The casino layout at Resorts World is probably one of my favorite, and I know it sounds sort of silly, but it's just really easy to find everything. So the casino is sort of in this large area, but it's just a big rectangle. You don't have all of these little pathways that you have to take to find different places. You are just in one big area. You're not going to get lost walking through the casino at Resorts World. It's easy to find everything that you are looking for there. And as you're walking through the casino, you will see the variety of restaurants and the bars that they have to offer. And they do have an amazing food hall that you should check out. So, have you figured out where you want to stay on your visit to Resorts World? Drop a comment and let us know what you preferred. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.